Oh damn, I missed it.
Video.
Yes.
It's like a circus. Oh, the funniest thing in the world, doing jokes. Yeah, like nothing happening. Oh gosh. Something coming down.
Look.
Chuckles. You're so sad.
He stopped.
He's all humped out? Or you mean Chuckles stopped?
Chuckles gave up. He's like, just take me. Take me.
Wow, Cass, you've got great endurance. I would have to if you put him on top of him. Cass. Cass.
Hey.
Ow, yeah. He's old. Leave him alone.
Hey.
You're like crazy endurance guy. Now turn around so we can take a picture of you. He's like hanging on for dear life. Let him go. Let me turn around for a picture.